Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this. And I apologize, but to my viewers that don't really need to know this information, but he's going to cut this. I helped him figure this out, I think. He's going to cut this out of a sticker, but it won't cut. Well, because there's no line to cut it. So what I would safely do, this is all grouped together, and I can back up a couple times, make sure it's right in the exact position. But it does have lines in it if we go to view and wireframe. But I've already selected it all and made it 5 points, so it won't cut. Now this really doesn't have a line, but let's just wait. We'll go back to view and enhance. So what I would do is make a duplicate of that and move it over. And I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to make it red. Then I'm going to go to effects and contour. I'm going to contour 0.07 in black. That put a line just inside there. Go up to object, break the contour apart. When you grab the inside, it should grab the black. Now we want to make it red, and red to me signifies a cut line, and it is a hairline. So we can put it, and what that did, it's going to cut just inside the black. In case and so he asked me 2 parts of a question. One of them is about registration mark. I don't do any printing whatsoever, so I don't know. I know about registration marks, but I don't know how you create them and make them work. But what this is, there's your cut line. This has no outline. It's just the back fill. So, and I don't think printers will print a hairline, but just in case, you could grab that hairline and go up to object, order, back a page. Now that hairline can't be seen, but it's still going to come back and cut, I would think, or even on a plotter or whatever they call them. Anyway, I hope that finally helped him, and thank you for watching.